In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a car battery without losing your radio presets. This car is an electric Hyundai Ioniq, but the same process will apply to many different models and makes. First thing we need to do is remove the battery hold down clamp, which is in this car held down with a bolt down here, and we remove the bolt and remove this bracket. In other cars you get a rod that comes up and then there's a clamp that goes along the top. Either way, that needs to be removed. In this car the bolt is a 12mm. Many of the time it's actually a 13mm, but it's 12 in this. I'm going to remove that, take off the bracket. Next we're going to loosen the battery terminal nuts. Now they're 10mm on this, they're 10mm on most cars nowadays actually. And we're not going to remove the terminals from the battery, we're just going to loosen them. Okay, that one's loose. And that one's loose. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to connect a pair of jump leads to the battery terminals, and we're going to connect them to the new battery. Now it's going to be a little bit fiddly, but stay with me on this because it will save you an awful lot of time having to reprogram your radio and whatever else gets lost when you disconnect things. So we're going to take off the negative first of all, and just make sure that our crocodile clip from the jump leads doesn't go amiss. Push that up out of the way there. And make sure that the positive does not touch off any bodywork because you will short things out. So now we can lift out the old battery, and again without disconnecting anything we're going to lift our new battery in. Now the fiddly bit here is what we have to do now is slide the positive terminal or the positive clamp off the terminal without losing connection. So it's still touching, and get the positive terminal on. And we're going to do the same with the negative. So long as you maintain contact, you'll be good to go. Get rid of our jump leads now, and we can tighten everything up. And lastly, we're just going to pop our bracket on, holding the new battery down. Oh, come on, that's going to annoy me. There we go. Okay, there are other ways to do this, of course. If you have a 12-volt supply, such as a battery charger or something like that, you can connect the battery charger onto the terminals as well, or you can use smaller wires or something like that as well, which may be a little bit more convenient, but a lot of people are going to have jump leads and might not necessarily have the other smaller wires and that they may need to do the job. Personally, if it was me doing it, I'd use small crocodile clips, but to show you guys how to do it, this is the way that will work for most people. So I hope you got a bit from this video. Please comment down below and let me know how it worked out for you, and hit the subscribe button before you go, and I'll see you in a future video. Thanks for watching.